Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to draw a line with a specific length in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, select the Line tool from the toolbar or type Line into the command line and press Enter. Over here, using the command line is faster and helps improve workflow. Then, click to set the first point of the line. After that, move your mouse in the direction where you want the line to extend. Over here, you can control the direction before setting the length. Then, type the exact length of the line into the command line without clicking again. After that, press Enter to confirm the length. Over here, enable dynamic input by pressing F12 for better visual control. Then, observe the length display near your cursor while drawing. After that, AutoCAD will create a line with the exact specified length. Over here, the line will automatically adjust to the correct endpoint. Then, review the drawn line to ensure accuracy. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.